The Ebony Jewelwing Damselfly, with its dazzling metallic blue-green body and striking dark wings, is truly a spectacle of nature's art. Found near clean streams and rivers across eastern North America, these damselflies captivate with their graceful flight. During courtship, males perform a fascinating dance, hovering in front of potential mates with their wings shimmering in the sunlight. This dance is not just a spectacle, but a critical part of their mating ritual, ensuring only the fittest continue the lineage. Besides their beauty, ebony jewelwings play a vital ecological role as predators of smaller insects, helping maintain the balance in freshwater ecosystems.